Welcome to Ambition IQ. Today we are going to learn some vocabularies on money poem which is written by William H. Davis. So why we need vocabulary? In day-to-day life we need it for speaking, and in our case it is needed for exams to find out synonyms and antonyms. So, whatever may be the vocabularies which is in money, that will be covered here. So, let's start without starting any time. So, you can see the poem here. We will cover some vocabularies. First one is knock. Knock means we need to tap, hit or strike. Whenever we want any permission, then we will do knock, means we will tap. Suppose you want to enter into your boss room, then you need to knock first before entering to the cabin. Hope you understand. Knock meaning tap, hit and strike. Next one is poor. Poor means needy, low paid. Those who are getting low paid, that one is called poor or needy. Third one is false. False means which is not true, that is untrue. If someone speaking wrongly or giving false statements, then we find that person is a false one. Next one is felt. Felt means sense or detect. You can learn it by assuming if you enter into the hot room, you will feel hot. If you entered in the cool room, you will feel cool. Means it will give you sense and detect. Trumpet. Trumpet means it is one kind of brass musical instrument which is used to create sound or music. Next, blow. Blow means roar or music. We know that we have blow or horn to give indication to other vehicles. When we are traveling through a bus, train or our private cars or two-wheeler, we always make a blow, means roar and music. We give horn. Next, dead means expired, no more. Hope you have know this kind of vocab. Dare means courage. You have many times saw advertisement on डर के आगे जीत है, means it is related to courage. What kind of courage you have, you need to show it in front of your boss or your relatives, means you have to show your courage. Next, wise means spouse or partner, or we can call it as a wife, our wife. Next one is bees. Bees means bee. Bee, from that we will get some beneficial product, bee. Next, frown. Frown means disapproval. If you want to go to the trip and your father said that you want to go to the trip, then that will be a frown situation, means you have got disapproval. Proved means ratify or validate. If you did something which didn't done by anyone, for that you need to prove yourself that I have created these things myself. Means you have to first ratify, validate. Went means move, go or pass. Many times we take bus or car or two-wheelers for going from one place to the another place. That is went. Hum. Hum means signs with closed leaves. Whenever you talk with someone, sometimes you give hum signs, hum sounds. that is sign with closed lips. Hold means grip or clutch. When you ride a bike, you need to hold your brakes, your clutch, that is to keep it up. Hope you have understood all the vocabularies. If you need anything, then you can ask in comment box. Thank you so much.